Hi, welcome to my tutorial on a hip hop bunny. I'm going to show you how I use my Cricut from start to finish every time I do a project. I use Cricut Design Space on my phone, and so what I'm doing now is opening the app, and I'm going to select a project that I've already saved to Cricut Design Space. And so once you tap on it, you'll be able to make any last minute changes as far as mirroring your design or changing the size or even moving it on your mat. But in this case, I've already saved it to the size that I'd like, and I'm cutting out Hip Hop Made Me. And excuse this camera footage because I'm trying to use the app with one hand and record with the other. So what I'm doing now is just viewing what I'm going to cut on my mat, and in the top left-hand corner is Hip Hop Made Me. So then I'm going to tap on Make It, and it's telling me that no device is connected. So once you hit OK, it'll start searching for an accessory to attach, and there's my Cricut. So I just tap on that, and it'll connect. And once that connects, you can go ahead and load your mat. So you'll see here that the Cricut is a little particular when you go to load your mat. And also notice the type of material that you're using is listed in the app. I had iron on, so I just needed to go ahead and turn the dial to vinyl, and then it changes in the app because it knows that I changed the dial to vinyl. So now I'm going to hit the blinking button. And if you don't have your mat loaded right where the machine wants it, it's not going to properly load. Even though the Cricut button will flash, I know that my mat's not loaded because I could easily pull it out with no resistance. So again, because I'm filming this with one hand and trying to load the mat with the other, I'm not as efficient as I normally am. So here I go, try to load it again, and it doesn't work. So this last time, I figured out that I needed to kind of lean in on the mat with my hip, and it gets loaded. So once that works, you hit the blinking Cricut button, and it's going to start cutting your vinyl. And your app will show you how much progress your cut has made. So it's really nice if you have a complicated cut or one that's going to take a long time, you'll know just how far your machine is in finishing that. So there it goes, cutting Hip Hop Made Me, and it tells you when the cut is complete. So you can tap OK, and if you have a project that requires more than one mat, it'll tell you to load the next mat. But for this project, it's a one mat project, so then you can go ahead and hit the blinking arrow button and it will unload your mat. So now, take a look at those cuts. Perfect, exactly how I wanted it. I'm going to weed the vinyl. So I get my weeding tool and I start in the corner and just peel it back. So I'm used to kind of peeling the excess and then taking out the centers from certain letters. But what I didn't realize with this font is there are no centers to take out. It's all connected. So it was really easy weeding this. It was just from one corner I picked and then I pulled the rest back. There was a tiny little part in the P that I needed to take out. And then I lost my footage of the actual vinyl application. So this is what you do. You apply the transfer tape to the vinyl, pull back the backing, and then apply the vinyl. And I'm sorry that I don't have this to show you. And here's the finished product. The Dollar Tree bunny with Hip Hop Made Me on his tummy. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.